Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the unit, safety first, because fans sit near live circuits. Once unplugged, remove the cover and locate the media fan assembly. Note cable routing and connector orientation so you can restore it later. Use a camera if you need reference photos. Next, remove the mounting screws with the correct screwdriver. Keep them organized. You are now ready to test the fan connector for power and inspect blades and wiring for obvious damage before deeper work. You remove the fan from its mount and inspect every surface. Dirt in the hub or warped blades causes vibration and reduced airflow. Use short bursts of compressed air and a soft brush to remove particulate, then wipe stubborn grime with 70–90% isopropyl. Check the shaft play by gently rotating and wiggling. If it feels gritty or has side play, the bearing is compromised. If it's a sleeve bearing, a tiny drop of light machine oil can extend life. If it's sealed or noisy, plan a replacement. You reinstall the fan, route cables exactly as before, and tighten screws snugly but not over-tightened. Once reassembled, power on and listen carefully. Note RPM stability and any wobble. Monitor device temperature and fan RPM for at least 10 minutes to confirm the issue is resolved. If the fan still hums or drops speed, unplug and replace it. Alternately verify supply voltage at the connector and check firmware fan curves. One key tip: a noisy but smooth spinning fan usually
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.